My name's Riley, I'm a second-year lifeguard, and my favorite part about working at Laguna Splash is the people I work with and the people I meet. My first year training was really tough because it was a whole 12 hours and 2 days worth. And you learn CPR and how to rescue people out of the water. And I would say people should do it because it's just good to learn and know that knowledge. I would say try it, like it's something new. I'm trying to save up for a car. Well, my parents are putting some money in. I pay for half, they pay for half, and it's been pretty helpful. I thought it would be fun, and it is, and you learn some good skills for it, not only for the job, but like outside the job too.